Good day, my lovely viewers. I salute everybody where they watch me. The kind places where people they find love now, when you go even they shock you say, now so love don't sweet rich. One young guy, 24 years old guy, don't finally fall in love with him grandma. I go call this one grandma because the woman don't old tired. I can't be surprised how these people love, they end back together, they even met. But some months back, this rare couple come outside, come post, say, them, they don't they plan to do their engagement. Now everybody reason up, say, this one go be joke. Say how person will be saying face don't squeeze like momo. Where be say person don't they reason and say, this woman say we will still die. But can't go fall in love with one kind fresh boy, young guy. People come the reason and say this one I play. Before we go see, make a shock on. These people don't even marry and as it be like say they don't even feel live without themselves. Two of them then they go and don't know where their own love come from. Be not from heaven, be not from where. But these people they don't go body say by force by fire. Their love go reach till eternity. My viewers are back. Making a follow me see. Hey, can this be love? Hey, because I don't reason now. Oh, and I sure say this boy no get motive. Because I be say among the whole ladies waiting for this earth, waiting for this abroad. Now this woman wait pelenge like this. Now you see say you won't go marry. Oh my way be say her skin don't even crease. But one come reason say, she na money carry this guy go this place. Because if you not reason this matter, I hear say this woman na cashier she dey do. She still dey work. So person wey still dey work, I beg wetin I won't get from your hand. Unless say the woman get house or she get some other things where this guy won't get from her body, be na waiting make the guy come decide say one they attach. And I hear say these people love him, no be from today. They don't know themselves since. In fact, since when this boy now 15 years now, there two of them don't they hide themselves, they give themselves face. So now later a blessing will go down. But because say this boy now small boy, then the love not even to grow. Only until this boy can't get 23 years, now they encourage and say, the only person who in love for this earth now this old mama. Now they don't know how two of them can start to they play love. So then now two of them don't come marry. But me I don't reason and say everything will linked to this marriage now sex it no go pass down. Maybe this guy get the waste and power to they handle this woman because what thing they get I want talk. And I know say all these oyibo people they like all this kind of men with big this thing. Then I wait to make this old mama conscience say now wait till she wants be this so. Now wait till make her now come decide say now this what be name Quran. Now him want to follow up and down. But Mr. Quran, I hope say you go take care of this woman because this is what you talk say on your wedding night you do her for 2 hours. I know one say some months later this woman don't die because this is the way they knock this kind old mama. You know even the reason say this woman go die soon. At least go they do her small. Not be everything go they do and by you still get power. You be young boy. You still they very good. At least just they do her small. Make we at least make she live small. Enjoy the marriage small. But my viewers I beg honor the reason say this guy ain't get motive for this place. Because me, I don't think and well. So not be only about this. One, this woman get house. She get car. So maybe the boy say go they look and say at all, na him bad pass. At least he go get small car. He go get small house. If the woman die, at least he go achieve some small things. But I beg who won't respect this one? Woman will get 17 children. In fact, all our children senior this boy. So I beg where the respect won't come say this one and my stepfather be waiting and won't call her. Or in people when their own love. But anyway, on a notion so their own love they be. But as far as two of them they happy and so na one marry na marry. Anyway, now na business. Making her enjoy and making her love herself as I want make it be. Anyway, my viewers, I go end down here for today. Making her stay tuned for our next story.